Hello and welcome to our how-to video. Today we want to show you how to use the CompactPlus Connect software in multiple instances.
Yes. Start the CompactPlus Connect software and choose your device. All connected devices will be shown in a list. Click on Select. In the menu, go to Device and add the new instance. You can name the instance and click on OK. Now you have two instances. And now we want to show you how it works practically.
Yeah, we prepared already something for you. So we connected three different devices to our computer. One is our CT ratio, and in this CT ratio we use already our new Ethernet interface. So that means this unit is connected via Ethernet to the computer. We have our CS Vision, and we have a CT4M, and those are connected via USB to our computer.
Start your software CompactPlus Connect, go to Devices and scan the devices. All connected devices will be shown in a list. Go to the device and select. Now we see the temperature time diagram and the video signal of our CS Vision. To start the new instance, go to Device, Add New Instance. You can rename it. For example, if you want the CT4ML, you can set the hook for auto start. It means that if you close the software and the next reopen the software, the second instance will start automatically. And click on OK. So now go to Scan Devices. And all the remain devices will be shown in the list. Click on Select. So start the new instance from the last instance. Go to Device, Add New Instance. So the CT ratio is remaining. Set the hook on auto start or not if you want. And now one remaining sensor will be connected automatically.
And I think interesting, you see now also in the status line the IP address, because this sensor
That's
is connected via Ethernet.
This sensor is connected via Ethernet and you see the IP address. So now if you close the software, all instances, and reopen the CompactPlus software again, all the instances will start automatically. So now we see our CS Vision, we see our CT4ML, the instance name you will see in the upper menu, and we see our CT ratio with our IP address. So now you have the possibility to save a batch file. Go to Device, not in the last instance, but in the previous one, because you can start the new instance just from the last instance one, and from the previous instance you can set up the instance and you can save a batch file.
And this can be used to start all the instances automatically, right?
Just right. And you can manipulate them. If the second start, if you want to have 2 devices instead of 3, so you can manipulate this batch file and execute it again. So you have also the possibility to set default software settings to start the software in the default mode. So now the software will start in the default mode, and all the devices you have to scan again.